sweet wines from dried grapes.
For the production of dried grape sweet wines, the process that makes them so special actually begins before it becomes wine, and it often occurs directly on the vineyard. It is a kind of wine obtained by selected grapes that have faced a considerable drying with a consequent considerable loss of fluid, a much higher sugar content, and an exceptional softness thanks to the formation of glycerol inside the grapes. Those special sweet wines are generally made in white, although there are many notable very pigmented reds made using this practice. The pressed dried grapes give a very sweet oily juice. The grapes can be left to dry on racks exposed to the sun or in special ventilated drying rooms, but even more valuable are the grapes left directly to ripen on the plant by operating a late harvest. In some cases, late harvests may even reach the winter season, as it happens in Austria for the ice vine, in Canada for the ice wine, and in northern Italy for the vino di ghiaccio, in which the grapes are harvested when they're frozen. That condition provides a particular softness to the wine and a very fresh and rich bouquet. There are also some areas where in autumn the grapes are attacked by a particular natural mold called Botrytis cinerea, also called more easily noble rot. The most renowned case is about the production of the Hungarian wine Tokai, made by ferment grapes. They merge regular grapes with the ones attacked by the mold. To identify the quality level of Tokai, determined by how many botrytized grapes are added, the unit measurement is the putonios, which means wooden basket in the Hungarian language. In some very specific cases, as it happens on the hills around Udine, northeast Italy, where the pickled wine is produced, nature causes a real thorough spontaneous abortion, so that in a bunch of grapes only 10% or at most 15% of grapes ripen. All the others just don't grow, concentrating both sugars and glycerides only inside the remaining few.